file the protest by your company entry number and cover all the shipments, or do you have to file it by each order or shipment?
Each customs entry needs a protest. Now, technically, you can bucket some together. We have had both good and bad results from bucketing them together, but there is a requirement to list each and every entry, whether that is on 10 protests that cover 50 entries or whether that's on 50 protests that cover 50 entries.
Okay.
That our typical stance is 1-to-1. It also prevents some customs person from clicking a button and denying something they shouldn't have. And now you have a whole different problem on 20 protests rather than just one.
Okay.
So we have just found over time that while it allows for us to file one protest for multiple customs entries, we have found that it's better to do 1-to-1.